Hello, this is Mrs. Rupert, and today I am going to show you how to solve equations by clearing the fractions. Now, the way I'm going to show you is slightly different than what's in the packet, so you can either follow what's in the packet or you can listen to me and find a little bit more of a shortcut. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is change our mixed numbers into improper fractions. So we change this 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So this will become negative 11 fifths on the outside, and you have a minus 2 equals 33 over 50. Okay, and again, I'm going to go ahead and draw that line down while I'm solving equations. Next, the packet has you distribute the negative 11 fifths through the parentheses. I think there's a little bit faster way by taking both sides and multiplying them by negative 5/11. Okay, that way I can cross this out and I'm left with a minus 2 on this side. Now over here, because I'm multiplying, positive times negative is negative, I can also cross cancel. 11 goes into 33 3 times, and 5 goes into 50 10 times. So that equals, and then I multiply straight across. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 10 times 1 is 10. Okay? Then I only have one more step to go and I can solve. So I'm going to add 2 and add 2. So A equals, now since they're opposite signs, I go 2 minus 3/10, and that gives me 1 7/10. And that's my answer. Now, the packet also says it's okay to leave it in improper fraction form. I really don't like that, so I prefer the 1 7/10, or you could convert that to decimal and it would be 1.7. So that's the example. Now I'm going to go ahead and do another problem. Here's a more challenging one that's on page 11, where I'm still going to draw down the equal sign. Okay, I'm going to get rid of what's over here first, so I'm going to add 14 fifths. I'm going to add 14 fifths. And I still have my big T here. That goes away, and I'm left with 7 halves, and then negative 17 fifths K plus 1 equals. Now, in order to add fractions, I need a common denominator. So I'm going to change that to tenths, and that would be 28 tenths. So then I add 28 and 959 tenths, and then I get 17, carry the 1, 987 over 10. Okay, then the next thing I want to do is I need to get rid of this improper fraction in the front. So I'm going to multiply by 2/7 here and multiply by 2/7 here. Okay, so that will get rid of all of that. And I'm left with negative 17 over 5K plus 1 equals, and this is multiplication, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cross cancel these two. And 2 goes into 10 5 times. 7 goes into 7 once. Now 7 also goes into 987. I believe that's 141 times. So let's simplify that, and equals 141 over 5. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and subtract 1. Subtract 1. So I get negative 17 fifths K equals, and when I subtract 1, that's like subtracting 5 fifths. So it's 136 over 5. Okay? Next thing, I'm going to get rid of the fraction by multiplying by the denominator, 5 and 5. So if I multiply both sides by 5, I get negative 17k equals 136. Then I divide by negative 17, divide by negative 17, and k equals 136 divided by negative 17, and k equals negative 8. And I circle it so whoever's grading my paper can find the answer. Okay? Anyway, those are the two problems. Good luck, guys.